go through with the question number 1. So for the option 1, we use the formula S equal to P in bracket 1 plus I power of N. So the P is 155,000, R equal to 0.078, M equal to 12, T equal to 5 years. So the N equal to 12 multiplied by 5 equal to 60. So the answer for S is 228,643 ringgit and 29 cents. Then we calculate the interest for option number 1. So interest equal to S minus P, and the interest that Akasha get for the option number 1 is 73,643 ringgit and 29 cents. For the second option, we need to calculate the profit if Akasha sell the land after 5 years at 225,000 ringgit. So price after 5 years minus market value equal to profit that Akasha will get. So 225,000 minus 155,000 equal to 70,000. So Akasha should sell the land and invest in a scheme because interest that he will get more than the profit if he sell the land after 5 years.
Right now, I will draw a line to understand the question better. First, we put the first principal on the left, and then we put the 1.5 year above the line. Second, we put the first future value and also the second principal in the middle. After that, we put the 4 years above the line on the right. Lastly, we put the second future value on the right, which is 4,800 ringgit. Now, we will use the future value formula, which is S1 equals to P1 multiply the sum of 1 plus I power on N. Right now, we need to put the amount that we got from the question in the formula. After you calculate it, you will get 1,639 ringgit and 9 cents. And that is the first future value. Then, we need to find the second principal. To find the second principal, we will use the same formula but in different amount. So, the second future value is 4,800 ringgit equals to second principal, which is the amount that we need to find, multiply the sum of 1 plus I, the power of N. So the I is still the same amount, but the N is 4 multiplied 2 because the second deposit is for 4 years. After that, we calculate it to find the second principal. After we calculate it, we will get the amount, which is 3,789 ringgit and 16 cents. So that is the second principal. And the last step is we need to find the second deposit. So how to find the second deposit is second principal minus first future value. Then we will get the second deposit. The second principal is 3,789 ringgit and 16 cents minus the first future value 1,639 ringgit and 9 cents. So the final answer is the value of the second deposit is 2,150 ringgit 7 cents.
So for the question A, we're going to use formula S equals to P bracket 1 plus I bracket power N. So S 32,699.78 equals to 25,000 bracket 1 plus K over 4 bracket power 24. So now we're going to let the K single and let other than K to the left. So K equals to when the power 24 go to the left, it's going to be 24 square root and multiply by 100. 100 need to be multiplied to get the percent, and K will be 4.5%. So next we're going to answer question B, which is we're just going to use the same formula as A, but we need to find S, which is the total amount if it extends for another 2 years. So our N will be changed, which is before this we 4 multiply 6, but now we add another 2 more years, which is N equals to 4 multiply 8, which is 32, and we're just going to use the same formula and calculate normal, and we get S equals to RM 35,661.29. So for the question C, we're going to use formula I equals to S minus P. I equals to 35,761.26 minus 25,000, and we will get I equals to RM 10,761.26.
Okay, you guys see they asked for the monthly payment, which is R. Okay, we're going to look at it one by one. Okay, I'm doing this. Okay, A equals to 78,000 minus 2,000, 20,000 plus 5,000. So then you will get 53,000. So this is your new A. Okay, we're going to use the formula A equals to R, 1 minus 1 plus I power of negative n. Okay, you have to fill the formula with the number. Okay, so 1 minus 1 plus I is 1.05. Don't forget to convert it. Okay, and n is empty. Just okay, and over with. Okay, done. And then after you calculate this, you will get R equals to RM 893.62. The interest charge. Okay, the formula for the interest charge is I equals to NR minus A. Okay, so I is, we don't know what is, we have to find the interest. Okay, so I equals to 84. What is our R again? Okay, 3.62. Our loan is 50. Okay, so after you calculate this, you get RM 220.64.0. Okay, so now we're going to look at question C. Okay, so what is our R again? 893.62. Bracket 1 plus 0.105 over 12. Power of negative 75. Okay, close the bracket. Okay, after you calculate all this, you will get A is RM 48993.24. Okay, this is not the final answer. Okay, all you have to do is minus. Okay, you have to minus it with 50,000 with 48. And then you will get your final answer. Alright, as for the last question, which is D, S is our future value. Okay, so S equals to R 893.62. Okay, open bracket 0, 5. Our N is 5 minus 1. And okay, so you calculate this carefully, okay, with your calculator, and then you will get 4546.9. This is the final answer. Okay, alright, as for number 5, what do they want? They want the number of years needed for the balance to be paid in full. This one, we have to minus it, okay? With 1,000. And then you will get the new A. 162 equals to R is 8265.12. Okay, 1 minus 1 plus 0.09 over 3. And negative n because we don't know the time. Okay, this one you will get 19.60044137. Just write down all the numbers in the calculator, okay? Over 0.03 minus, I got with 0.37. I will get 3. So many 3 minus 1.03 negative n 0.03 negative n 0.03 equals to 13.73289196. Okay, 103 power of negative n 0.411986759. Okay, so you have to use log. Okay, so log with this one you have to log it, log, and this one log 2, and then you will get negative n equals to negative 30. So n equals to 30, but that's not the final answer. Remember what I say, n is empty. So n 30 equals to, what is our m? 3. So we don't know what is our t. So that you will get the final answer.